To check the amount of RAM installed on your system, simply type msinfo in the Start search menu and open the System Information desktop application. You can now check out the amount of RAM installed on your system. Additionally, using this app, you can even check out other system specifications like processor information, hard drive space, and much more. If you want to monitor the RAM usage on your PC, then Task Manager might help you. After opening the Task Manager, open the Performance tab and select Memory. So that's it for today's quick video. If it helped you, then consider subscribing.